Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me an any boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So one of our traditions during Christmas in Jamaica is having what we call the sorrel drink, okay? And it's from the hibiscus plant, and I will show you how that is made in a separate video. So I have some sorrel that I used to make a sauce. So for this video I'm going to make some baked chicken with sorrel sauce. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I already seasoned the chicken. In the next video, you're going to see all the seasonings that I added to it. Alright, so I sprayed my container with some palm spray, and now I added my chicken. I'm going to bake this at 350. Alright, so in this pot I have the sorrel sauce that I created. Those are just onions. In a different video I will show you how to make the sorrel sauce, but as you can see, very rich and thick. So this is what I'm going to use to add to the chicken. Alright, so I've been baking this for a little while, so now I'm just going to go ahead and start adding the sauce to the chicken. Just going to brush on the sauce. Alright, so I'm going to add this back to the oven and continue baking. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and brush the top of these with the sorrel sauce, and I'm going to put it back in the oven uncovered. So there's our sorrel sauce baked chicken. Looks amazing, mouth-watering good. And again, I will show you how to make the sauce in a separate video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Until next time, peace out.
Vibes kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.